This is a nice pink flower. Rose, I mean. Really nice. It's really beautiful. Rose looks really amazing and it's so nice. They're really fragrant as well. It's a nice pink. Pink or peach, I don't know. What colour is it? Oh, it's really beautiful. Rose is amazing. Let me take it near. That's the near it will go. If you like this rose, put a like, share, comment. Tell me which is your favorite rose. Share with your friends, share your love with this flower. Okay, bye. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.